What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1963 Impala. Go ahead, check out maplemotors.com for financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Also get financed. And yes, we can ship these cars all over the country. This one has a believed to be 327 under the hood. Should be a good little test drive here. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy when you get here to Maple Motors. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out before we take off. Let's have an aftermarket radio. The dash does have a few cracks in it. You think the horn works? You can go ahead and try the pole there. We'll start it up. Starts up nice and easy. I love the way this interior looks. It's almost like a marble. 4-speed. Everything's in decent shape too, so go ahead and try some stuff out here. The radio does work. It was jamming when I got in.
Things on the entire plane.
Blower motor, it cuts on. I can feel it in the floor right now. Wiper, they cut on. They're nice and slow though. Look at that. Not really that fast, are they? Horn. Horn works. The tach is not coming up on the dash here. It does show 48,000 miles. Of course, I can't stand behind that. And the gas gauge is about halfway right now. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's take off down the road. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will tell you about. Make sure this e-brake's up all the way. The clutch is letting out about halfway. Speedometer's coming up on this one. Third there grinded a little bit. I want to try that again. The brakes feel pretty good on this one. They're not bad. Oh, it's just rattling against some metal in there. Try it again, but I'm pretty sure it's just rattling against the plate, against the shifter there. Car is geared very low. We're running about 50 right now. Probably run it up to 70. I wouldn't go no faster than that. Not without changing the rear end gear ratio. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. Yeah, if you push on it, you can hear it hit that plate in there. So far, so good. It's running and driving really nice. We'll pull up in this parking lot here and get some outside shots of this car. and we'll keep on rolling. Okay, got y'all on this virtual head cam here. We'll go ahead and shut the door, look around, and get to driving here. Notice the emergency brake does work. We've been circling this parking lot this whole entire time, and the temperature is right at 200, so that's a good thing. Hopefully I won't turn my head too much and get y'all dizzy. But I have come to like the head cam because it gives you a good look around the car. Yeah, that shifter won't do that unless you push up on it in third, like that. You can just barely hear it. So you just shift it like normal instead of me trying to make sure it was in gears when I first took off. I always check everything firmly when I'm leaving the lot, so that's why it was doing that. That temperature gauge already went back down to 180. This is the road with the big bump in it. We're gonna hit at a pretty good speed. Bump is right here. Nice and smooth. Even though this car is lowered, the suspension feels pretty good. Okay, the light finally changed. We'll hit third one more time before we pull in here. And fourth. We'll get on the brakes real hard so they come to a good stop. Man, Brian's going crazy down here with his shop. He's got glass doors all put in. You can't stop us. I like that. All right, we're gonna head back to the lot now. Yeah, if y'all haven't checked it out, check out Brian's Motorsports. You could buy this car and he can hook you up with a big stereo system or whatever you want. He's a customization shop for cars, trucks, or really anything. He does golf carts and everything, so he's one of the biggest shops around here for that, and he's right down from Maple Motors. We'll pull back in the lot here, and conclude this video. All right, guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, we can ship these cars all over the country. If you don't mind and you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Post videos almost every single day. You can also hit the notification bell to get alerted. All right, guys, it's time to get to the next test drive. Appreciate you watching. Thanks again.